Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And this morning we're going to talk a little bit about how we're improving our video and our audio on Grumman Pilots Association, which directly supports the Grumman Pilots channel. And the first thing that we have is we bought a mixing board. Now this was back from our AOPA, Air Safety Foundation, traveling public speaker days, but we have a 4-channel mixer, 2-channel output. It is in stereo with all the appropriate controls for each channel. So we're going to be dusting this off. It still works, and we're going to be using it as we start mixing the audio for our videos, as well as we're going to make some changes in the video. So this is our great big mixing board. So you don't need to have one of these to do your videos, because as I say, we have 938 videos as of today, and we haven't used a media board. So now the other thing that we're working on is our lighting. And here we bought an LED light for giving additional lighting. This is the diffuser lens, and this is the 3200 degree Kelvin light. It's battery operated, so you just turn it on and you get a nice light, and you can have it shaded. So we bought that so we can do additional lighting. As a matter of fact, why don't I leave it on to augment the lighting that I'm getting from the window out here on the sun porch. So we are going to be working on our lighting situation. As you know, that most of our video has been shot with a variety of GoPros nowadays. We've been using the GoPros for the last 2 years pretty regularly. They're a nice camera. We do have some other cameras for other details, but we wanted to get a better video quality because we found out that our GoPros were not allowing us to have the audio nicely. GoPro does great on video, but we wanted more control over our video, so now we're using a Nikon D5200 series. 5200 is the actual model, and we actually have some video that we shot with this camera a couple days before our accident as we were exploring it, so now we're back. And here's some of that original video.
Here's a little trick you can use when you're trying to put your exhaust up by yourself. Take one of the cotter pins that normally goes into the main landing gear and just use it like a bobby pin, and that will pin the no-blow gasket up on the stud, slide the exhaust on, and then you can pull it back out after you get the nuts on. So it's a little quick trip, allows you to do a lot of things by yourself on an airplane.
Retracing our same steps, so we're going to be upgrading our video quality on the camera. And then for the audio, which you may say, why would you have a mixing board, is because we weren't happy with the GoPro audio unless you're using the natural audio and standing close to it. So we bought it from our AOPA days. We have our Audio-Technica FM wireless microphone. We have the Radio Shack receiver for it, for picking it up. And then we also just bought another one, so when we have guests, we have a hardwired microphone, but we also bought a wireless headset in the UHF range so that we can have a guest speaker and they can be hooked up into the audio system as well. So we're trying to, trying to get all this hooked up and ready to go. And then the one final thing is we're going to be capturing all our audio in our older Olympus DSS digital recorder. It'll record for about 24 hours continuous on the memory that it has in there. It is a stereo recorder, and as we were checking out microphones the other day, it does do a great job with all our microphones recording our audio. So we'll be able to move around the shop and still have good audio when we're doing our projects. So we hope you found this walk down audio and video road to making better videos for the Grumman Pilots channel useful and informative. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman. Look for this link on a GPA page to support us. Thank you very much for your support.